Hello, and welcome to Anchor Cargo's educational series on the products and regulations that surround our industry. We understand cargo control can be a lot to wrap your head around, but don't worry, we're here to help. We'll break things down into relatable categories, and then with each episode dive deeper and deeper into that category. We'll cover things like product use, regulations, and some myths that happen to surround our industry. Each episode will just be a couple minutes long, and will feature things like special guests, product demos, and some tips to make the most out of your Anchor products. If this is something that interests you, we'd love it if you click subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be alerted when we drop a new episode. Please enjoy. Welcome to the second episode of Tie Down 101, the basic use of a cam buckle. We'll cover how to thread it, tension it, and release it. My name is Matt, and I'll be your host for this episode. If you missed our first episode on ratchet tie downs, feel free to click this link and it'll take you right to it.
All basic cam buckle tie downs have two components, a fixed end and an adjustable end. There are some cases where there is no adjustable end, such as a lashing strap or an endless loop tie down. But for this video, we'll focus on the most basic style of cam buckle tie down. The fixed end is where you'll find the cam buckle and one half of the attachment hardware. In this case, a wire S-hook with keeper. The adjustable end has the bulk of the webbing and the other half of the attachment hardware.
Threading a cam buckle for the first time can be a tricky process. That's why many Anchor Cargo cam buckles come pre-threaded with a loop sewn on the backside to help prevent pullout.
If that's not the case, or if the two sections become separated, use the following process. Depress the cam buckle lever with one hand and push the webbing through the bottom with the other. The length of the strap can then be adjusted by simply pulling as much webbing as needed through the cam buckle.
Now that we're threaded and the strap's the appropriate length, it's time to tighten it against your load. A cam buckle is a one-way mechanism. On the underside of the cam, you'll notice some teeth. These bite into the webbing and help prevent it from going backwards. To tighten the strap, simply pull on the loose end, which is the end coming out the top of the cam buckle. Make sure you have a good firm grip on the webbing and plenty of room in the direction of travel. Many Anchor Cargo products come with a loop sewn on the back end to help with your grip. If this is not the case, make sure you have a firm grasp on the webbing before applying pressure. Gloves are recommended in either case, not only to help with your grip, but to protect your hands. Since many cam buckle applications are light duty, excessive force is typically not needed to secure the load. In the instances where the load is active, such as a suspension or pneumatic tired vehicles, care should be taken to make sure that the load stays balanced and that you don't overload either the load itself or your strap.
Releasing the tension on a cam buckle is a one-step process. Simply depress the lever on the buckle, the same lever used to thread the strap originally. This allows the web to travel backwards through the buckle and the load is released. If there are high amounts of tension in the system, there may be some web runout as it releases. Be sure your load is stable and not being supported by the strap before releasing the buckle. Items such as motorcycles could tip over, and overhead items could fall if precaution is not taken.
That's all there is to it. Hopefully you learned something about this incredibly versatile little tool. If you liked what you saw, please go check out our channel, watch some of our other videos, and click subscribe. And then don't forget to click that little bell to get alerted when we drop new episodes. Thanks for watching, and have a safe day.